So the very poem is all about the relationship between mother and daughter. Secondly, the poem is all about the aging. The poet's mother is going to be old and she soon will be the favorite of God, but the daughter is unable to accept this reality. All the time the thinking of losing her mother is in the mind of the poet, that one day my mother will be old and will die, will leave me alone. This thinking all the time is in the mind of the poet, and this is haunting her all the time. Understood? And the poem is based on this thinking. The poem is based on the relationship between mother and daughter. Second thing, the separation between mother and daughter, the actual reality of life. One day she will lose her mother. The mother will be the favorite of God, leaving her alone. Understood? So, my mother at 66, driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning. Now, the poet is going to the airport. Probably she has come to the parents' house. After staying there for many days, she was going to the airport. Probably she was going somewhere else, leaving her mother alone. She was going to stay away from her mother. Understood? So driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning, she was going to the airport. Okay, leaving her mother alone. I saw my mother beside me at that time. Her mother is going there with to see her off. Okay, so I saw my mother beside me. My mother is sitting beside me. Doge, open mouth. Now when she was sitting beside her, when her mother was sitting beside her, the mother is sleeping, dozing off, drifting off, and the mouth is open. The mouth is open. It proves that the mother is not young now, has been old, and because of this old age, she is sleeping and her mouth is open. Understood? Her face ashen like that of a corpse. Now her mother's face is going to be pallid, colorless, and is going to be like ashes, as if she was going to die. Understood? Her face is looking like the ashes of a corpse, the dead body. Okay, now one thing, this thinking is coming to her mind because she has understood the reality that one day her mother will go away. One day her mother will say her goodbye. One day her mother will be the favorite of God and the lady will be alone. And this thinking all the time is in the mind of the poet. Understood? Now, her face ashen like that of a corpse and realized with pain. Now, very very important line. Realized with pain. Now, when this grim reality, grim universal reality came to the mind of the poet was feeling pain in her heart. She understood that my mother has become old, my mother will be the giver of God's soul, my mother will pass away soon. And this thinking is tormenting her, afflicting her. Understood? Suddenly realized with pain that she was as old as she looked, and her face is taking after or resembling her old age too, or according to her age she also looking like the same way. But soon put that thought away and looked out at a young tree sprinting, the merry children spilling out of their homes. Now, in order to avoid this grim reality of life, she was looking at where? The outside of the window, looking at the trees, looking at the children playing, going home, coming out. These things were avoid mentality that one day her mother will be the favorite of God. Now, but after the airport security check, standing a few yards away, I looked again at her. Now the car has come to the airport and the lady is going to goodbye to her mother. She was looking at her mother for the last time and she was one pale as a late winter's cold and felt that cold familiar ache. Now when she was telling her goodbye, bidding her goodbye, okay, she was looking like late winter's cold. During late winter time, the moon is looking like a pale colorless liquid carrying its grandeur. In the same way, her mother face is the same way. Understood? And my childhood's fear, and suddenly she is getting the childhood fear. I am losing my mother. My mother is going. Okay. But all I said was, see you soon. But one thing I was telling her, see you soon, Amma, Ma, see you soon. But there is no guarantee that next time she will meet her mother in the same way. Understood or not? All I did was smile and smile and smile. And in this way, with a smiling faces, I was telling her goodbye. Because one pain is there within our heart. One pain is there. Our heart is paining. In spite of that, sometimes we show our smiling face to make someone understand that, okay, where everything is okay. Why not feeling unhappy or sadness? Okay, clear everyone. In this way, the poem comes to an end. So, throughout the poem, we have understood one thing, that mother-daughter relationship, fear of aging of her mother, also losing her. Understood or not? And one grim reality I am telling you, that everyone except father and mother, okay, talks to you, calls you, comes to your life, not for you, but because of them. Because all the time one reason is there, behind their calling to you, behind their messaging to you, behind their chatting with you. But mother and father are the only two people in our life who calls you, talks to you, message you for you, not for them. This is called unconditional love. The love which has no reason. No reason is there. That's why always remember, whatever the father or mother is telling to you, okay, whatever the things they are doing for you, telling you, because of you. And you should remember their word, respect their words to the letter. Because they are telling you because of you. They are advising you because of you. And it's not because of them. And if you know this reality, if you know the difference between conditional love and unconditional love, in future you won't face any problem. Okay. That's why try to know the reality, try to be mature, and never ever try to be angry with your parents. Because for them you are everything. Whatever that they are doing because of you. From whole day, from sun to sun. Means from whole day they are doing hard work in the scorching sun. Not only father, mother. For whom? Because of you. But one thing, they want one thing from you. That my daughter, my son will read attentively, will do something better in their future, they will be successful. This will be the reward for your mother and father. Okay, because of this thing, they are doing everything. Yes and everything. Bujhilo na bujhilo na? So how is the poem? Dekh liyo.